All right. So we're still finding surface area, but today we're switching to a different shape, a cylinder. So, don't we still have a top and a bottom? This formula, 2 big B, will tell us what the top and the bottom are. But hold up, what shape is the base? Circle. So to find the area of a circle, what formula do we need? Right there. Emma.
2 pi r, 2 pi r.
No. It is not 2 pi r. That is the circumference. We'll use that in a minute.
Pi r squared.
Pi r squared? Do y'all agree with her? If you look back down that chart, it does say pi r squared for a circle. So for the area of the base, we're going to do pi times radius squared. And I'm going to go ahead and bring down the 2. Any questions so far? Why is there 2 of them? Josie?
Because you multiply by 2.
Why?
Because, I don't know.
You sure you don't know?
Top and bottom.
Yeah, there's 2 of them. There's a bottom circle. There's a top circle. That's why it's always times 2. Okay. All right, let's go over here. We still got to find big P, which is the perimeter of the base. What shape is the base?
A circle.
How do we find the perimeter of a circle? Lizzie?
You find the circumference.
The circumference is the fancy name for the perimeter of a circle. Are you with me? Well, the circumference formula is right up there. What is it? Who knows it? Layla?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. 2 pi r is the perimeter. And then we got to multiply that times height. So here is the formula we are going to use today to find the total surface area of a cylinder. It's going to be 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Questions so far? All right, I got one. What if on the homework they say just find the lateral surface area, not the total? What part of this shape would be the lateral surface area and not the total? Madison?
The yellow base, or where you said diameter.
No. Tell me what part of this picture is the lateral surface area? Somebody who hadn't helped me yet. Lateral surface area. All right, Lizzie. Nobody else seems to know.
Pretty sure it's like around without the bases.
Good. The lateral surface area is this part right here. All of this. The top and the bottom are not part of the lateral surface area. Are you with me? So what part of this formula, if they did ask me on the homework to find only the lateral surface area, what part would we use?
The second part?
Yeah. 2 pi RH is the lateral surface area. Put that in your notes. If anytime they ask you for lateral surface area, that is this part, P times H. So the STAR test could ask you that question. Well, they just made it easy. I only have to do half of the formula if they want the lateral. If they ask for the total, we got to do top, bottom, and the lateral, or the sides. This is always the sides. This is always top and bottom. So let's look at a problem or two. All right, let's plug in what we need to plug in. Aaron, what are we going to use for pi?
3.14.
All right, so we're going to do 2 times 3.14. All right, Aaron, what are we going to use for the radius?
8.
We're going to use 8. Does anybody disagree with my man Aaron? Elena?
It'd be 4 because it's a full line and it'd be
Good. Don't forget that if they give you the diameter, you're not going to use 8. Aaron, what are we using? Yep, you got to cut it in half, buddy. Don't forget that. That's an easy mistake. All right, so we're going to do that times that squared. We'll do that in a minute. Plus, we're going to use 2 and pi again. What's the radius? 4 times, what's the height? 12. All right, now, we're going to type all of this in at one time and hit enter. Y'all ready?
Yes.
So pick up your calculator, type in 2 times 3.14 times 4 squared plus 2 times 3.14 times 4 times 12. Somebody might help me. I'm going to panic. Gabby, what did you get?
401.92.
Let's see if the people agree. 401.9? Do the people like 401.9? Your calculator should say the exact same thing if both of you typed it in correctly. And we need to put feet squared. Questions on surface area of a cylinder? It's the same formula, except the only part that's different is the area of the base is now a circle, and the perimeter of the base is now really the circumference, 2 pi r.
It's just a long equation.
That isn't long. That's 6 numbers. That's not that long. 7 numbers, actually. That's not very long. Wait till you get to higher level math. Yes.
No big.
All right, do we need to do another one? They're pretty easy. The only way you're going to screw it up is if you hit a wrong button on the calculator, probably. Or if you accidentally use 8 instead of 4. Questions? All right, let's roll.